Hello everybody, this is Tarina. I am going to do just a quick, hopefully it's quick, unboxing video. I didn't really purchase much from this catalog, mostly because I want to save some moolah for getting the next catalog to my customers. So if you're one of my regulars and you purchase more than $50 in a month, $50 in a month, or in a quarter, in a month, I will send you a free catalog. So this is the newest March through April 2020 catalog, and I am so very excited for this one. It is a different catalog than the others, so I actually, like I said, I didn't get very much. I got 3 paper packs, just the papers, no stickers, and then 2 stamp sets. And the reason I got this one is because I fell in love with it before. This is from the core catalog for this year. I fell in love with it. They brought it out around Christmas. I think it was just after August, I think, September time. And you can use this with all of your different colors. And I have some cards, or I have a card, at least one card coming up that I want to use this on. So I'm excited for this, and this is something you can use all year long for all kinds of different projects, and I want to be able to get creative with it. So this one is the Operation Smile stamp set, and this one's called Build a Plaid. Ooh. And this one is called You Make Me Happy, and they are so adorable. I just love this style of art. It's so, I love the line art on it. It's so beautiful. So those two, you can see the one here on the back for the Operation Smile. They're so pretty. Okay, and then I got, like I said, 3 stamp sets, and it comes with a free catalog. So I have another catalog. If you're interested in purchasing one, they're like $3 free shipping. So let me know or message me. I take PayPal, so I will leave my PayPal in the description box below. And so the first paper pack is called Yesterday and Today, and I will kind of give you guys just a quick flip through of this. Okay, so the way I'm seeing it is this way. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. I just love it. And then the back side. And look at that branding strip. You can't even tell that it's a branding strip. It looks like it's part of the paper, which I love. It's so gorgeous. And then this is the second one. So pretty. All the distressed edging. And then this is the back side. Oh, it's so pretty. Now in real life, it doesn't have this blue shine to it. It's pretty dark as far as it is like a very, so espresso is the color, and when you put espresso down on something, it's really dark, and that is definitely espresso. It is really gorgeous. So I think the colors are, let's see, featured colors: black, espresso, French vanilla, mink, and toffee. So let you see that zip strip. It's so cute. I love this paper, and I just wish I had more time to actually get creative with it so I could show you guys, the different kinds of things you can do with it. I just, like, a mini album would be gorgeous. I was also thinking, like, if you hosted like a vintage Halloween, this would be great for a vintage Halloween as well. So there's this one. So pretty. And then the back side. It's like, yeah, there we go. It's like a fabric with some mesh, or with some grids on it, which is awesome. And then that's the zip strip. So yes, I did not get the one with the sticker pack. I wish I had, but I wanted to save some money for, later. So yeah, this is the Yesterday and Today. Not only that, I do have a lot of stuff, so I'm hoping that this next catalog, I won't want so many things so that I can actually purchase something. you know, with all the stuff that's going on, sales are kind of down, so I don't get to purchase very much. And honestly, I don't get to purchase very much anyways, but I am very thankful for even just a little bit of sales. So, because then I get to, you know, try out new things and collect things for when the mail goes out, if the mail goes out, right? Who knows? Who knows how long this is gonna last? I feel like it's gonna last forever, but that's just like an intuitive guess, not educational at all. So, okay, so this one is called Seize the Day, and again, I only got the paper pack, but you can see it's got lots of shells, and that's the zip strip. Very summery, oceany, ocean theme, beach theme. You could definitely use this for a baby shower, or let's say you wanted to do like a bridal shower that is all beach themed. This would go great for that as well. This would be great for, I was thinking for like a boy page would be awesome. Graduation page would be awesome for this one. And that's the back side there. And then let's see, the coordinating colors for this one are canary, candy apple, linen, mink, mint, peach, sage, sapphire, smoothie, and white daisy. So you have a lot of options. You can pick one of those colors and just kind of focus on that color if you wanted to. So here's this one. It's kind of got a fabric texture as well, which is, these are all smooth, but they make it look like it has texture. And then we've got little anchors and the zip strip. And then this is the back side, which is like a net. See, it's got little knots on it. And that covers the whole page. I love this paper right here. You can use this for so many things. I have so many ideas when I see it. I'm just like, I don't have time. I've got to homeschool 4 kids now. There's just no time for it. So, I know I could be doing it right now while I'm giving you this this, you know, video, but this is fun. I want to enjoy it too. So, this is actually like, you know, like I want to say it's like outdoor furniture fabric. And like, so if you did, you know, take a picture of your new patio set or whatever, and it had any of these colors in there, this would go perfect for that photo as well. We've got anchors, and then the back side is very reminiscent of either clouds or water, or, you know, anything like that. This is a very neutral kind of background. You can kind of see, oh, you can't, it's kind of hard to see. There's actually a little itty bitty tiny bit of like a gray fabric texture in the back. I don't know if you can actually see that up there. Oh yeah, you can see a little bit. But yeah, it's very, very light, and it almost looks like your eyes are tricking you, but they're not. But it's nice because it helps it be neutral. A baby boy, a mini album as well, like a baby album, would be great with this collection as well. Especially if you're doing nautical theme, would be great. And then the last one that I got is this one here, and this is the mix-in paper pack, and I like the other ones, don't get me wrong, I like the other ones, but I fell in love with this one. Like, it's girly. It's girly, I can't help it, I can't help it. So I'm gonna make sure I get the zip strip in there, and then this is the pattern. Isn't that beautiful? It is so pretty. My grandma used to make these doilies with actual, you know, thread and a needle. It's so pretty. And then that's the back side, and you could definitely, you know, use these together. They coordinate perfectly. And these can go with the other paper packs, which is their whole purpose. But now if I can get this one, you get one of each sheet, which I think I should have bought 2. I really think I should have bought 2, but I'm going to save that for maybe the next one that comes out and see if I like it. And there's the zip strip for that one. And then the back side is, oh my gosh, this just makes my heart happy. I just love this. It's so pretty. I am loving this mix and paper pack. And this one is so pretty. It's so simple and elegant. I can see this on so many girl pages and gardening pages and just happy pages. And I can even see it on puppy dog pages. Puppy dog pages, yes. And there's a zip strip. And the back of that one is this one here. Ah, look at that. It is so pretty. It's very distressed. It's so pretty. And then each one is like, they've got the coordinating colors for these are canary, French vanilla, lilac, mint, mink, oops, peach, sapphire, smoothie, and white daisy. And look at this one. It's so pretty. See that zip strip? I don't know if it'll focus on it or not. If you hear knocking, it's not actually knocking, it's a game my kids are playing. And then this is a very neutral stripe, which is gorgeous, and it does have a little bit of distressing here on the edge, which is gorgeous. And then the back side is this. I love this too. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And then this is, I believe, the last, nope, second to last one. Wow. Second to last one. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so elegant and pretty. And then this one here to coordinate. And then this one is a grid. And the zip strip is that one there. What was the zip strip on this one? Oh, zip strip was polka dots on this one. And then the back side of this one is, I believe this is the canary. Isn't that beautiful? That is so pretty. I'm wondering if that could go with the vintage tone or not. If you distressed it with espresso, it might work. Maybe. I don't know. Probably not so much. But, like, if you were to look at this one, I'm thinking this could probably go with it. I don't know, that's awfully white. But it's still, I love these. You can use them for cards, you can use them for mini albums, you can use them for just random layouts, which is probably what I will do. I might use them for cards, I don't know, we'll see. There are just so many options, and God, I mean, just love it. Just love it. So anyways, these are the mix-in papers, and that is all that I have. Now, one thing I do want to tell you guys is, with these paper packs, you have a couple of different options as far as purchasing them. You can, let me see if I can get this in here. Oh, look at that. I did purchase a set of gems as well, the Seize the Day dots. Awesome. They were in my catalog. Anything else in there? Nope, no such luck. Okay, so I'm going to set that one aside because that one's a new one. And then this one here is either mine or a new one. I have like I said, I have plenty. So if you guys are interested in a catalog, like I said, $3 to my PayPal. I'll leave the PayPal email down below, and you just send me $3, and I will send you a catalog. So, and it will be this one here, this March-April catalog, because I already have it. So the yesterday and today, if you purchase it with the paper, with the sticker sheet, this is the sticker sheet that you get. So you get a lot of different, I want to say artifacts, but artifacts isn't the right word. You get a lot of different stickers, things you can work with. And then it comes with the option for like the cardstock that coordinates, yesterday and today, foil die cuts. So these are all foil, metal foil color, you know, reflective surface. I don't know. I haven't actually seen them physically, but they say foil die cuts, so I'm assuming they're foil. So, so we've also got vellum die cuts, which are so pretty. They're so pretty. And then, of course, you have the Picture My Life cards, which are an option as well. And then for the Seize the Day, I did just the paper pack, but you also have the sticker page option, and it is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet with lots of different elements. There are coordinating cardstock packs, there are die cuts, and there are Seize the Day dots, as well as the Picture My Life cards. And then the mix-in paper pack does not have any embellishments that go with it, but they do have a coordinating cardstock mix-in pack, which is all of the different colors down here that go with any, you know, that's the list, pretty much the list of, I don't know if it's all of them, but it's definitely, let's see, there's 6 of them. So yep, it's all the different colors that they used in the mix-in paper pack. And so, as you can tell, like with this layout, they used the yesterday and today embellishments to go with the mix-ins. So, look at that. I can't believe I did get that. So these are the Seize the Day. I'm just going to show you guys these real quick. So Seize the Day dots. So you've got your, I believe that is whatever color Seize the Day is. I want to say sapphire. Let me look. All right, it's sapphire, candy apple, and mint are the colors of these dots. So you can definitely, if you're using a project that has any of those on there, you can definitely use it for that too. You don't have to use it to go with Seize the Day if you don't want to. So that is one of the things that I love about their enamel dots. They come in 3 different sizes, and you get 2 sheets of them. So that's awesome. So all right, I am gonna go ahead and hop off here and try to get some creative time in. So I hope you guys are getting creative and enjoying your YouTube, because I mean, you know, there's plenty of time now that we're all stuck home, right? Well, for some of us anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.